Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a small, teeny tiny unboxing for you. So here is what I have. As you can see, it is as small as my Marmont bag, if not smaller. Yeah, it's definitely smaller. So here is what I got from Louis Vuitton. I ordered this from their online website, and it comes with just a box, and there is a dust bag in here. Came with a receipt in the card as well. What I've noticed in the past couple times I have ordered, because I have ordered a couple things on their website and ended up returning them, they come with this new disclaimer. It shows, I'll read it first and I'll show you guys what it says. It says, "Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care." I don't know about that. Following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, or disinfectant. Find our complete care instructions on us.louisvuitton.com/eng-us/product care. So this is the card that they decided to include. And I've seen a lot of posts on Instagram where people were saying that their canvas got discolored because they like sprayed the hand sanitizer on their bags and stuff like that. So it's something new. I'm wondering whether it's because they changed the way that they treat the canvas, or because of people reporting such cases more for their aftercare. If I remember correctly, like I have spilled hand sanitizer like on my Neverfull, which is also in monogram canvas, but never had issues like that. So I'm wondering if the canvas formula has changed, and then people started to report that, hey, like I spilled or sprayed my hand sanitizer spray on the bag or a small other good, and it discolored. So I'm wondering why they started to include that in the receipt, but that's what I did get. I wanted to kind of highlight that just so that you guys are also aware. And then the receipt pouch, of course, there is the return label. I'm hoping I'm not going to return this one. And then has the exchange and returns guidelines here. And then it has a receipt for the product that I purchased here. So that comes in a separate envelope. And then let's finally get into the unboxing. Comes in a little box with a pull tab. They stopped sending the ribbons when you buy, especially online, because I think they're running low on their packaging materials. So in here, just took it out entirely. Comes in a little tiny dust bag. And to reveal, this is the flat card holder in the regular monogram with the brown leather. Has a pocket on each side and has a middle compartment here as well. You can see that where it's made, like it highlights over here. You probably can't see because it's too dark, but it is made in France. And then I don't know if there is a date code. If I can locate it, or if I know where it's located, I will insert it on the screen or down below as well. So I decided to purchase this piece because I want to give my key clay a break. Here is my key clay. I have purchased this more than a year ago, and since then it's been my daily wallet. I don't have keys hooked on it right now at the moment because it wouldn't fit in my Gucci Super Mini, which is the daily bag that I'm currently carrying. So I have kind of put the key ring in the key clay and been carrying it like that. While key clay is still very compact and perfect mini wallet to carry in your purse, I still thought it could get a little bit bulky. You can see how kind of chubby it gets as more stuff you put in. So versus this, I wanted to just be able to carry something really slim in my small bag. Just, you know, my ID, the one credit card that I use in most places I go to, and then maybe my debit card and some cash in the middle compartment. So that's why I decided to buy this. I do also have a Chanel card holder, which is right over here, but this one is still kind of bulky. It might actually be bulkier than my key clay, or about the same width, I guess. So even this wasn't slim enough, so that's why I decided to buy this card holder instead. And you can see it's smaller because this one has 2 pockets in the back. So it's a lot slimmer. I did order this online, as I mentioned. They are not always available for purchase, but if you do stock the website on a regular basis like I do, then you will come across this item pretty regularly. So in the box, it also came with the, I guess, the product code and the sticker, which is right here. And then the materials card right here. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section down below whether you're also looking to purchase a flat card holder like this one to fit in your mini daily bag. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.